Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter error 0x800700aa, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing is to disable the antivirus. So I am using the stock Windows antivirus. So I will search for virus and threat protection. Here I will go to manage settings and I will switch off real-time protection. But my suggestion to you is once you are able to update or do any other changes in your system for which you're getting this error, once you have done your work, then you need to switch it on again, because if you leave this off for a long time, there is a very good chance that any malware or any virus will infect your system and cause a lot of problems to you and your system. Now the second and one more thing I would like to tell you is, if you're not seeing this window, then you'll probably, if you're not seeing the previous window that is here, then you will probably have a third party anti-malware or antivirus installed like Kaspersky or McAfee. So you need to open that third party software and then run the anti-malware and then disable the anti-malware and the antivirus protection. Now the second thing you can do is to update Windows. So we'll right click on the start button, settings, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. The third thing we can do is we can restore the system to a previous point and time and date. So we will look for recovery and click on open system restore. And then I have created this restore point. So you click on next and you click on finish and the system will shut down and restore to a previous version and then boot up again. And other thing I can do if this error is still showing is I can do a disk cleanup. So I can do that by looking for disk cleanup, clicking on OK, and I will check all the boxes here. And click on OK and click on delete files. Another thing I can do to make sure that this error is completely eliminated is you can run command prompt, right click on command prompt, run as administrator, click on yes, and click input the command sfc space slash scan now SCANNOW and press enter. Then restart your computer and this error message should no longer show. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.